that kind of banding, I knew this was going to be a pretty agate. But look at that beauty. Guys, I just wanted to step in really quick and say that just know that there is definitely more of our epic rock road trip to come. I just wanted to do a little intermission because I'm starting to get backlogged on footage. So this week we're doing some slabbing, but don't worry, we'll be back to the road trip in the next episode. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna shut up. Enjoy. All right, guys, they are coming out of their polish step. All they need is a couple days, actually probably like a day or two, and some soap, and they're gonna be done, and we're gonna see what we got. I'm so excited. All right, guys, they're done. They are done, and they're looking great. So I'm gonna get them moved over. We're gonna rinse off all the soap. I'm gonna get out a strong light, and we're gonna take a look at what we got. Alrighty, everybody, we've got them all out, cleaned off and dried off. I'd say they look great. Very happy with how they came out. And we did have some surprises. I will show those last, but first I figured we'd take a look at some of these. Love the way those water lines came out. Looks so cool. I'll get a light out from behind. Oh, they just look fantastic. And these are those IMR agates. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they are just stunning. Look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. Here's another one. Just gorgeous. So funny because on the outside they're so rough and opaque. I was not expecting that kind of translucency inside. These, I love these. Again, was not expecting what we got with these. On the outside, they just looked like a dull, nothing special jasper. And then when you cut into them, look at all of that moss. And then here is that awesome jasper agate. Only downside to the tumbler is that the jasper is a different grit, apparently, than the hardness than the agate veins, because you can see that texture in there. You get a light behind it. It's really mostly agate, but all of those little pockets didn't really take the same polish, but I honestly don't even care. It looks really cool. We've got this piece right here. Look at how beautiful that chunk of wood is. Gotta love Yellowstone River agatized wood. It's just so translucent. These two came out really well. This is just chert. Focus, there we go. This is chert, and it looks great. So pretty. And then this one is a yellow jasper. Came out so beautifully. I would be happy to show you how I make these in a video, so let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in. They come out looking so cool, and they're really easy to make. Alrighty, so in our quest for color, we ended up with a lot of... dud isn't the right answer or right word because there is no such thing as a bad-looking Montana agate, but we wound up with, oh, focus, quite a few that don't have any, focus, there we go, any color. They all have really faint translucent banding though. Got this nice one right here. Oh gosh, well, it's gone. It's gone and forgotten. Pretty waterline right here. And then we've got a couple of these with really pretty patterning. Just beautiful. We got the other half of that one right here. And I love these pieces right here. Look at all that tight translucent banding in there. Cool botryoidal hollow in the middle of that one. Here's the rest of it. Very pretty.
And I have some pieces that show positive signs of having some iris, but I think they're a bit too thick. Let me see if I can get this proper. There we go. And I would be so thrilled if this one right here has iris, because that is a gorgeous agate. Alright, I don't know if they're going to show or not. We're going to try. But there's actually quite a bit of some really good color in this one. Of course, it's coming up a little bit washed out. It's faint, though. Might have to grind these down and make them thinner for it to show better. But there is some good color in there, in these little... Oh, come on. How are we going to do this? Oh, gosh. Okay, well, where you see it kind of ripple in those lines, that's where the color is showing up. Again, this one had great color. You can see a little bit of the pink, kind of, not really. Let me show you why I'm saying we got stuff, but it didn't really, you know. Okay, so these are some of my pieces that I already had. The reason I'm saying we both succeeded and didn't succeed, focus, there we go, is because a true iris agate is going to look more like that. See, you don't really have to work hard to see it. You can see that brilliant rainbow without really trying. Which is why I'm saying we kind of got iris, but we didn't get half as good as we could. So, again though, I in no way consider this a loss, because these are all really pretty slabs. These ones show really good signs, they're just too thick. So, you look at, oh, where's a good example? I don't have one on hand. Anyway, they should be about a third this thick, which I can do safely when my faceting machine is up and running again. I can just grind them down and polish them with the faceting machine. But these ones are just a bit too thick to see that color. But all of these are still thick enough to make cabochons. I can wire wrap these. I mean, they're all still absolutely usable, and they're really nice agates. We've got these beautiful little ones right here. So it is by no means a loss. I don't consider it a loss, and I think more color is going to show up once I get these worked on. Well, I'm going to get some stuff out. I don't think I have time to do it today, but I guess it doesn't even matter that I just said that, because you'll be seeing me with agates out ready to slab in 3, 2... Oh my gosh, whoa. That's crazy. I must be magic. Or have editing software. I don't know. You pick. Anyway, got some agates out to slab. These are all Mountainies. This is one of those awesome jaspers that we found on the road. Here is a piece of Montana Wonderstone, which I believe is going to have some cool banding. And then these are all plume jaspers. And yeah, I think that's what we have time for today. I'll probably do some more tomorrow, but yeah, let's get to it. You guys gotta see this one. So I cut it because it looked like this. I was like, oh, I mean, if nothing else, there'll be a cool crystal pocket. So then I cut it. Look at all those bands in there. Oh, that's awesome. Alrighty, so I knew this one was going to be pretty. Let me get it wet really quick, sorry. So that's this one right here. That kind of banding, I knew this was going to be a pretty agate, but look at that beauty. Just gorgeous. So I think I'm going to slab this nub and then keep this one to make a cabochon. So I have 2 rocks here that I couldn't decide on, and I had the community decide for me. So, one second. This beautiful agate with just absolutely wonderful banding. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. I found this one in this video right here. And then I have this beautiful agate. which again, just some, oh, let me get focus, thank you. Beautiful banding, nice quartz pocket, just so much banding in here. And I found that one in this video right here. So, you have all spoken, and it looks like I am leaving this one alone, possibly tumbling it, and this one's going to get slabs, which I am excited about because this one shows some positive signs of iris-like activity, so I am intrigued by what we find here. Probably going to slab this one a bit thicker, because that way, even if it's not iris, I can still cab it later. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what we get out of this one. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I cut it. And the verdict is, I hate it. No, I'm kidding. It's actually incredible. Had a feeling it would be. That is a beautiful lacy agate. Look at that. Alright guys, excuse the disaster that is my bench right now. So, just slabs that are nice, but I don't see much promise in them. This is all petrified wood. These are those, if I can pick it up, plume jaspers. These are just the nubs, so like, whenever I make slabs, that's that little bit that's too thin to pass through. There's still uses for these. They're actually thick enough to still cab, but yeah, anyway. These are the ones I had picked out so I could show you. Just really nice ones. And this pile right here is the ones that I think might show, well they do show wonderful signs of being iris, but I don't know for sure. So these are my hopefuls, and I'm sorry, but I am not even going to show you those close up. That's all I'm going to say. That is a pile of wonderful things, and it's just going to keep getting better and better the higher up they go. So, look forward to part 3. Alright, you guys know the drill by now. I'm just going to pick out some of the nicer ones, and then we'll toss in a slideshow. So, I was so excited about this one. I actually was able to manage to slab an agate that was big to the point where it really probably shouldn't have been slabbed on my saw, but hey, we did it anyway. One sec. There we go. Sorry, grabbing a flashlight so I can shine behind him. Just beautiful. So pretty. These are just wonderful agates. And I got a bunch out of that one. Thing was like the size of a potato. Here is the one that I was the most curious about. So happy. This is the one that I had you all decide for me. And let me just say, I am very happy I slabbed it. Look at that beautiful agate. Just gorgeous. Such nice fine banding in there. Let's see if I can get a light to shine on it without drowning it out. Oh, it's so pretty. Just gorgeous. I figured since they're tumbling, I don't have to worry about the edges so much, but nice to shape them up sometimes. And then this really pretty one. Just gorgeous. And yeah, other than that, oh, that's what I wanted to show you. I forgot the whole reason why I went over and grabbed another rock. That is one of those plume jaspers, and it is so gorgeous. It's alright, I'm not trying to blind you. Just beautiful. Again, they're not really going to show to their fullest until they're polished, but oh my gosh, are they pretty. Alright, well, I mean, Well, some of them look different, but you get the picture. I'm gonna jump into that slideshow right about, oh, I don't know, now.
Well, it's all loaded up. I'm gonna start the process, and yeah, part 3 will happen the moment these are finished. I am so excited to see what we wind up with. Some of these are just extremely promising, but yeah.
Also, just wanted to show this really quick. I forgot to mention that I cut a piece of the Montana Wonderstone, and it is such cool stuff. I actually went ahead and polished this face a little bit. Alrighty, everybody, I think that's going to do it for this one. I will definitely be keeping you posted, and the part 3 will be coming out the moment these are done in the tumbler, and oh my gosh, I am so excited to see these things polished. They are just showing such good signs. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you want an awesome place to share your finds and connect with other fellow rockhounds, come check out the Facebook group Look What I Found. I'll have a link to that in the description. If you would potentially like to own some of these yourself, I'll have a link to my Etsy in the description. Definitely don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I love having conversations with all of you. Liking the video helps tremendously to spread it around so more people can like it. And yeah, hopefully this video was good enough to earn a subscription. If not, you know, hopefully next time. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all very soon.